All right, hey guys, it's Bear here with JTP Preparedness, helping you prepare not only for your doomsday, but your everyday. So today I wanted to come out here and show you a little update on this wicking bucket. As you can see here, my little ghost peppers, they're still going strong. I actually moved this thing into my driveway, that way I can pull it into the garage at night because we've been getting some frost here already. But just take a look at this thing, man. This thing is really bushed out. It's doing awesome. The flowers are finally starting to die off of it, but it's still been producing like crazy. And to be honest with you, I didn't really do much to it all season long. I basically put this in here. We've had enough rain where I didn't really have to water it or anything like that. All I did was let it go. I didn't really add any nutrients or anything like that. I probably could have added some and really got it going a lot quicker, but I didn't really feel a need to. I'm telling you, next year I'm going to do a lot more of these because this thing just turned out awesome. This is probably one of the biggest pepper plants I've ever had. You know, it's just putting out everywhere like crazy, you know, and it's been great. So I highly recommend doing it. Just want to give you an update. I know I told you I would. So here's my update on this. Yeah, guys. So like I said, I've been moving that wicking bucket back and forth in and out of the garage at night because we've been having some frost lately. But that thing has been producing like crazy. It's just awesome. It's great for small spaces, whether you want to put it on your deck, you know, your deck or your patio, or you know, on a porch in an apartment building. You know, you can do it right on your front walk, out front, out back. It don't matter. Any small space, you can have them, you can line them up. I'm telling you, next year, I planned on doing more this year, but I really just didn't get time. But next year, I'm going to do a ton of them with a ton of different things. Anything kind of specialty that I'm really trying to grow out, you know, that I'm really trying to pay close attention to, I'm going to put in those things because, man, that worked awesome. Again, I'll leave a link below to the video where we put those together, but, I'm so impressed with them. I highly recommend them to everybody. Let your friends know, share the video with them. That way they can get doing it too and get ready for next spring. It doesn't hurt to get them together now and get all your supplies and get them all put together now, and that way you have it ready to go for next spring and all you gotta do is plant. So it's not too late to get started for next spring's garden, okay? Now's the time to do it in the fall. Get things ready for next year. That way you can just plant and go and you're off and running. You're a step ahead, okay? Again, this has been Bear with JTP Preparedness, helping you prepare not only for your doomsday, but your everyday. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe, smash that bell for notifications. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Check out the Teespring store for your JTP gear. Check out the website, JTPpreparedness.net. Sign up for that email list so you get notifications every time we put out a new video, all right? All right, till next time, peace.